Hello everyone, we're back with a new video in which we'll show you how we built a smart boat and how it works using heat. First of all, we begin by explaining the basic concepts that are essential to understand in order to know how our boat works. Temperature is a scalar quantity defined as the amount of kinetic energy of the particles in a gaseous liquid or solid mass. The greater the velocity of the particles, the higher the temperature and vice versa. In thermodynamics, heat means energy transfer. This transfer always has a direction defined by the temperature difference between bodies. Heat flows from the warmer body to the cooler one, eventually reaching an equilibrium temperature. Since heat is a transfer of energy, it can be measured as energy gain or energy loss. Therefore, it can be measured with the same unit as any other type of energy. The joule, which in addition to heat, is also used to measure work and energy. Phase change is the transformation of a substance from one physical state to another, for example, from solid to liquid, or from liquid to gas. This process occurs when a specific amount of energy in the form of heat are added or removed and is crucial to understanding the phenomena such as evaporation, sublimation, and melting. Well, once we have seen some basic concepts, now we look at the material we use to build our little boat. We need 1.15 meters of wire, one syringe, 5 candles, one aluminum can, one disposable plate, a pen, a lighter, aluminum, and 12 millimeters of water. So now we are going to explain the procedure. Uh, First, the disposable plate was lined with aluminum foil. This step was done to prevent the candle from burning the plate. The wire was then wrapped around the aluminum can, creating a structure to support the weight of the can. We then punctured the can and emptied its contents. We placed 5 candles in the center and then the structure with the aluminum can. The can was wrapped around the wire. Using the sink, we added 12 millimeters of water inside the can. Finally, we lit the candle. This process is slow and time consuming, so we had to wait for it to progress. Well, all this is thanks to the fact that when water is added to the can and the candles are light, the candle hits the inside of the candle, causing the water to reach the boiling point. When it reaches that point, steam is produced at enough pressure to move the boat. Thanks to the theory of heat, which consists of the fact that heat is energy, its transit, it always flows from an area of a higher temperature to an area of lower temperature, thereby raising the temperature of the second and reducing that of the first as long as the volume of the body remains constant, or in simple terms, the theory of heat explains that heat is the energy that is transferred from one place to another due to the difference in temperature. In conclusion, the boat works thanks to wonderful laws. So, so for finishing this project, we show the boat in action.